Polygel nail kit. So it comes with this pamphlet, tells you what's inside of it and how you go about doing that. And I think that's awesome. So I picked up some rubbing alcohol from Target for like $1.06. And then this buffing block for like $1.70. This is what it comes with. It comes with 6 colors and a little tool. Like this, same company. It's just like super small, just small enough for your hands. I can link that down there too in the bottom. So last video I said I wanted to answer some questions, but I didn't get any questions asked on my videos, so I didn't do it. I saw that the natural pink one was pretty nice in a lot of videos, so Jesus Christ, it's only 15 grams. I need morphine. Oh, that's so good. A little spatula, a little brush, not spatula. So I'm gonna leave this fingers and then both my natural nails and the molds. The lighting was unbearably dark. I got all my molds and I'm going to fit them to my fingers. So I finished one hand and this is natural pink. I like it. It looks more feminine. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's like just enough because I have a 9-month-old and I don't want to poke him or anything, so we're just gonna get started on this hand and buff out the hands, put on the base coat, and then apply everything else. That I've done for about close to a week. It took some getting used to. I'm still like trying to get the hang of doing it. I've been replacing these nails because I really didn't know what to expect when doing them, but they last and they're very sturdy. They definitely sound like acrylic. So, I mean, in my eyes, this is great. It seems to be more affordable than getting your nails done via acrylic at the nail salon, and it's easy because if you break a nail or if you didn't apply it right, you don't have to go to the nail salon to get it fixed. So in my eyes, I think this is great. Thanks, Celine, for recommending this via your page.
I can put a link down below if you would like to purchase the Polygel nail set. It is by Macart. It didn't come with a slip solution, so I used rubbing alcohol. I mean, that's it pretty much for this video, and I would just say, if you're down to try it, try it. If you like it, stick with it. I mean, I like it, so I'll be sticking with it. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.